Then December 1st, the Nazis came and took us all away. There were 300 women and children in this factory, and some of us were put on trucks, other people were walking. We had no idea where we're going to end up. And then it happened to be a Friday afternoon when we arrived to this very busy marketplace. It was getting dusk. The Nazis said, we're going to stop here. Nobody should get off the trucks or get out of line. With that, the truck that my mother and I were on stopped. She jumped off. She winked at me. I jumped after her, and we walked away. And as you can tell, I guess nobody saw us or cared. By that time, we knew that our housekeeper had to get her own apartment. She lived there with her daughter, who was my age. Fortunately, she was a wonderful person. We had a very good relationship with her. She practically brought me up, so she didn't want me to get killed. We went there and asked her if we could come in for a couple of days till my mother figures out what else we can do. And she was a hero because she let us in. If anybody would have found out that we're there, all four of us would have been shot on the spot. So it was a very heroic thing for her to do. And not even her sister, who used to just drop in, knew. She didn't trust her sister enough to let her know that we're there, because she could have given us away. So whenever she would drop in, we would have to hide, either under the beds, or she had a little closet in the kitchen like this, and we had to stand there motionless until she left. So it was very difficult, but there was no place else to go. Unfortunately, January 15th, the Soviet Union army came and liberated us. So we were very happy, but we didn't go outside because we didn't know what was happening outside. And a miracle happened 3 days later. My dad came and found us. And that's when we found out that that so-called Schutzpass from the Swiss government got to him. The Nazi read it, called him out of the cattle car, and let him go. By that time, there was a ghetto in Budapest, and that's where he survived the rest of the war.